Paget's disease, we use the calcitonin, which is a wonderful drug which can be basically administered. See, elderly people, they will have severe bone pains. Generally we will say it is arthritis, arthritis, arthritis. Bone pains can also occur in case of osteoporosis. Be very sure. That's the reason any elderly person with severe pains which are very disproportionate, they need to get a DEXA. And you need to evaluate what is the T-score, Z-score and whether osteoporosis is there. Any bone pain doctor, salmon calcitonin will be available like an inhalational agent. If they inhale, excellent relief for the bone pain will be there. So that is the reason every case of the pains in the lower limb should not be treated as simple arthritic pain in an elderly person. They can also be due to reversible things like bone pains of an osteoporotic bone, which pain can be wonderfully relieved by the calcitonin inhalation, and of course you can start teriparatide, which is the parathormone analog, which will improve the bone density. So some of you are going to be the modern physicians of the modern millennium. Osteoporosis management is one thing you have to be 100% sure. What is zero order kinetics, doctor? Slow way of disposing the drug from the body. And it is a linear plot which is typically shown. Fixed amount of substance only become eliminated for every half-life. It is not fixed percentage. It is not fixed percentage with every half-life. Fixed amount is typical of zero order kinetics. Niacin, how does it basically act? It will decrease the liver triglyceride levels by limiting the availability of the free fatty acids which are required for formation of triacyl glycerol, is a triglyceride. So if you don't make acyl groups available, triglyceride formation get affected. That's how niacin will be working. Insulin glargine. So you must know what is Lispro insulin, what is glargine insulin, what is soluble insulin, everything. Protamine, zinc sulfate insulin, what are intermediate acting, long acting, everything, doctor. Insulin glargine is a long acting insulin, slowly released from subcutaneous site. It doesn't show a peak and then fall. It is almost similar to our natural insulin. Unlike other insulins, if you administer, they will show a peak and fall. So that after that peak is over, there is no more insulin available for controlling the sugars. So that is the reason, due to the prolonged action and its low levels, it mimics the natural basal secretion of insulin. Hence it is often combined with the other insulins like the Lispro. Glargine insulin is what need to be remembered. And it should not be used in pregnant diabetics. In pregnant diabetes, plain insulin is the safest one. Now doctor, a farmer excess salivation is OP poisoning, all of you know, atropine we give. 16-year-old accused of rape, how can you prove he is innocent? Basically lack of the signs of resistance like the abrasions, etc. is the way by which you can be able to prove. The age, mere age is not an immunity against accusation of the rape is what need to be remembered. Diatoms are found in the bone marrow, drowning cutis anserina. If you die in Delhi, it will take 6 months, 6 hours for some stain to happen on your body. If you die in Kanyakumari, it will be little shorter or longer? Shorter. Very good. Northern India is over. Then there is a West India, East India, Southern India, Northeast India. So many Indias are there. So be very sure. Then salivation is typically increased by hanging. Grievous injury, 320. Dry submarine means typically you will place a plastic bag on the head of the detainee and holding it tightly at the bag to induce suffocation. So how to kill your spouse and pack him in what you call a trunk box and make no evidence available is at least what we can minimum learn after NEET PG preparation. So be very sure, doctor. Now what is mauling? Mauling is being punched with the fist, beaten with the rifle butts, etc., etc. If you don't get adequate dowry for what all effort you are keeping on NEET PG. So then in a suspected case of death, cadaveric rigidity, which is lasting very longer, common cause is arsenic poisoning should be thought. Okay, now give me an answer, doctor. One confident answer. Irregular, broad, non-septate hyphae branching at wide angles. Acute angles ho gaya na? Which organism will come to your mind? Yes? Mucor? That's good. Who is in the online? Dr. Anuja already shot the answer. Mucor. Irregular, broad, non-septate hyphae as what you can see here. A broad, non-septate hyphae with wide angles is mucormycosis, which can also lead to ketoacidotic diabetic patients may mucormycosis is quite common. Remaining questions I think we can run except for few surgery questions where we need to go little slowly. Retinoblastoma, leukocoria. Retinal arterial angiogram you won't inject into eye but into peripheral veins, the contrast. Central serous retinopathy may we use angiography where you find a smokestack pattern. Central serous retinopathy may is what need to be remembered, that smokestack pattern. Smokestack. Now keratometer is mainly for what purpose? Curvature of cornea. 25-year-old lady, ill sustained reaction of pupil. That means afferent pupillary defect is there, which can be caused by the retrobulbar neuritis is what need to be remembered. Then indirect ophthalmoscopy for the periphery of the retina. Colored halos where you see, doctor, everywhere but not open angle. These are all very standard questions. If every question we give creatively, you will start crying. Arey, what is this, sir? Examiner is not that creative. Why? So Sunday should be some questions recreation. Adenovirus, hemorrhagic conjunctivitis. You all know. Now, ropey discharge. You have a spring tetra, vernal conjunctivitis. Now, shoot me an answer, doctor. Dimorphic, cigar-shaped, budding yeast that lives on vegetation. Itraconazole you will use to treat it. But very important clue which will help you to answer. Traumatically introduced through a thorn. You have given to give a rose, it pricked. The thorn of the rose pricked you and you got this dimorphic cigar-shaped organism. What is that? That's right. Our online students don't want to spare except Guntur which said Candida, which is not correct. Everybody else is candidly correct. Sporothrix skinkii is the one. Rose gardener's infection. It is basically called as. Positive Rene is typically air conduction greater than bone conduction. It indicates either normal hearing or sensorineural hearing loss, which is commonly seen in the case of the presbyacusis. Stapedius, 7th nerve, 2nd branchial arch. All of you know very well. So what is your bet? 240 mein how many marks? 3-digit score. 180 plus is a reasonable score. Dignified score. If it is less also no problem. How much less? 40 less than 180. Up to 140 no problem. Because 40 days is there, every day 1 mark bhi nahi aata kya? Itta padne ke baad? Arre, what sir? So 140 also you can still catch up. Below 140 for 240 is no problem. I am always available for preparing along with you. So if you are getting 100, 110, 120, don't disappoint. I am always there until you get 240. Now, destruction of right labyrinth, what it will lead to? Nystagmus with the fast component towards the left side. So peripheral versus central nystagmus, you must know all the set of differences, doctor. Weber's is for what? Basically for conductive or sensory neural? Huh? Lateralization of the Weber differentiates the true conductive hearing loss from that of the unilateral sensory neural hearing loss, right? So we should answer it as conductive or sensory neural. Conductive, certain amount of airborne gap is required in order to for this test to become positive, no? Now coming to Meniere's, DVT, D for deafness, V for vertigo, T for tinnitus, and the deafness is a fluctuating deafness. Now coming to the secretory otitis media, Rennie's test is negative due to conductive deafness. Rennie's test positive means normal hearing or sensory neural deafness. Now a child with otitis media not responding to ampicillin is an indication for getting a myringotomy to evacuate the pus. Bilateral hearing loss, if it is there, indicates cochlear implant. Now pearly white is a normal color. Anybody answered grey, yellow, red? No. Okay. Now doctor, give me one, shoot me an answer. Chorioretinitis, hydrocephalus, intracranial calcification, which infection? Yes? Toxo, that's good. Tuberculin test, 10 mm, not 10 centimeters, 10 mm, which is considered positive. Is it 10 mm or 10 cm? Okay. A patient of TB was put on ADD for 5 months. So you must know the definitions of the TB. When you call failure, you began treatment, and who remained or became smear positive again at 5 months or later, then you call it as a failure case. Then type 3 concentration is how much in the poliovirus vaccination? दूध में शक्कर कितना होना है, दूध में पानी कितना होना है, you must know some calculations, which vaccine में क्या होना है until exam. Chloroquine, this is important. If you don't know chloroquine dosage, you will kill the child. Less than 1, 1 to 4, 5 to 8, you must know if it is number of tablets. Here comes a lot of confusion. I still remember one child dying because of this misinterpretation done by the pharmacist who wrongly explained what was rightly explained by a house surgeon and led to the death of a child. So you must be quite sure, especially chloroquine can go very toxic in the pediatric population. So you must know how much milligram base, how much is available in the tablet, and accordingly how many tablets to be taken must be clearly prescribed.